I'm in a new apartment. I just went to Trader Joe's and I got basically my meal and food and stuff for the 2 weeks pay period, however you want to say that. So let's do a little unboxing, I guess. Some grapes and some milk, vegetables. And this is for actually right now. Well, today's 4th of July, so not doing anything special. I'm literally just gonna go to my parents' house and hang out for a while. Let me give you guys a tour of my apartment, and then we'll head out. I know what you're thinking. You probably saw it in that, but I'm not done, okay? I know my cord management is atrocious. I'm aware, okay? I will get to it. I have the cord management stuff. I just haven't had the time to open it yet. I've got some more LED string lights that I'm gonna try and figure out another place to put them, because that just, I don't know about that. Honestly, I'm super pumped about this too, because it's like really, really nice to be able to be on my own in a place that is open. You know, because the tiny house that I had before was awesome, but it was tiny. So I did it, I enjoyed it, but I'm in a much happier place having such a more open floor plan, I guess, if that makes sense. Let's get in the car and head over to my parents. So, I'm back home, in my apartment anyway. That was pretty much just a apartment tour video. There wasn't really anything 4th of July related. My family didn't really do anything, so we just kind of hung out, had dinner, you know, enjoyed our freedom rather than blow shit up. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll be going on vacation soon, so stay tuned for that.